La Jolla Cove, California. It's another beautiful day out for scuba diving. There is a large difference in snorkeling in an area versus scuba diving in the same area. When snorkeling, you get to be a part of the surroundings in the water for as long as you can hold your breath. When scuba diving, you get to be a part of those surroundings for a much greater length of time, depending on the depth of the dive. On a rough day, it is easy for someone new to diving to get sick quickly from getting moved around by the waves. On a calm day, you get to enjoy the gentle sway of the water. Swimming next to the fish and sea life in the water brings you to a whole new world. Being underwater, you hear the fish eating at the coral, waves rolling overhead, and your regulator sending off bubbles to the surface. Other than those noises, it is a steady silence that gives a diver peace and allows them to use their sight. With the ears at ease, the sense of sight is heightened, and everything looks so new and amazing underwater. Ocean life litters the bottom, hiding under the sands. It never ceases to amaze me how I find fishing poles on my dives. I just take them with me and throw them away when I get to shore. Over and under every crevice, there are always creatures waiting to be discovered. I typically use my compass on dives in places I have not gone, so I can better navigate the underwater terrain and know where my upper surroundings are. Thanks to the Marine Corps navigation courses, navigation underwater was made easier, although I have found it to be more difficult in low visibility water. What is incredible is the amount of life thriving underwater that the normal person cannot see. It is important to keep our oceans clean so this life can live on. If you are interested in scuba diving and have the chance, I highly encourage you to take it. You will never know when you will ever get that chance again.